Hello everyone, I am Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. Today we are going to see fish fry and this will be completely different. We are going to do in Mangalore style. The taste will be amazing. And I have taken pomfret fish for today. Whichever fish you want, you can take. That's not a problem. Before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe. Let me tell you what are the requirements. I have taken white pomfret fish today. If you want to use a whole fish like this, you can use, or else if you want to use slices, you can use the fish slices. Should not be a problem. And for marination, let me tell you what are the masalas I am taking. 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. I am taking Kashmiri chili powder because it will give a kind of red color. And 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And half a lemon. We have to squeeze the lemon and use. And this is just for the marination. We have to make one masala. For that time, I will let you know what are the requirements for the masala. So let's squeeze the lemon. And we have to make a paste. You can add a small amount of water and make a paste like this. And now we have to apply it on the fish on both the sides. So now we have applied both the sides of the fish. Let me tell you what are the requirements for masala. 25 curry leaves, 1 big onion I have cut into pieces, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. And medium sized garlic cloves, if you have, 2 is enough. As the clove is very small, I have taken 4. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. If you don't prefer to use vinegar, you can skip this. And for masala, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of dhania and 1 teaspoon of jeera and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Other than onion and curry leaves, we have to grind all these things in a mixie. And onion and curry leaves, we will use it for frying. So now I have made a paste out of those things. It's been more than an hour now. Our fish is marinated perfectly. And we have made the masala also ready. So let's fry the fish first. So we have taken a pan. We are switching on the stove. Once the pan gets heated, we have to use coconut oil. For this recipe, we have to use only coconut oil. We should avoid any other oils. We have to pour oil nicely so that it covers the bottom of the pan. So once the oil gets heated, let's fry the fish. We have to flip both sides and cook. So the fish is perfectly cooked now. So let us turn off the stove and take the fish. And for masala, I will tell you how to do it. So let's take the fish now. In the same pan with the leftover oil, so we have to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And once it gets heated, let's add the curry leaves first. Fry it slightly and then add the onions. It doesn't need to cook more, just 1 minute is enough. So it's been a minute now. Now let's add the masala which we had grinded. And also let's add a small amount of water. And mix it. It's been 1 minute now. Let's put it in sim flame and add the fish which we had fried. And let us collect the masalas and put it over the fish as well, because we have to completely immerse the fish in the masala. And once we immerse, we have to keep it in sim flame and leave it for 5 minutes so that the extract of masala get into the fish. It's been 5 minutes now and it's perfectly cooked. We just have to turn off the stove and serve it. Our Mangalore style fish fry is ready. I'm just garnishing it with few coriander leaves. See how yummy it looks. Such a simple recipe. Please do try and let me know. Thank you so much.